मुझे किसी की ज़रूरत नहीं। अपनी ज़िंदगी मैं खुद ही जी लूँगी। मेरा हर किसी पर से विश्वास उठ गया है। बड़ी शिद्दत से तमन्ना थी उनकी। मन में बसा ये ख्याल कि हम एक दूसरे के लिए ही बने हैं। एक सुंदर सा आशियाना जिसमें वो, मैं और ढेर सारा प्यार। पर ना जाने क्यों हम एक दूसरे से दूर होते चले गए। आखिर ऐसा मेरे साथ ही क्यों? ऐसे ही कुछ ख्याल हैं शीना के। एयर होस्टेस शीना के पति एक पायलट हैं। दोनों के वर्किंग स्केड्यूल के कारण उनके छोटे मोटे झगड़ों ने धीरे धीरे एक बड़ी समस्या का रूप ले लिया। आज आलम यह है कि उनका 17 साल का बेटा एक बोर्डिंग स्कूल में अपनी पढ़ाई कर रहा है और वो दोनों एक छत के नीचे रहते हुए भी एक दूसरे से बात तक करना पसंद नहीं करते। क्योंकि शीना के संबंध उनके पति के साथ अच्छे नहीं रहे, तो उनके पति ने शादी से बाहर अपने संबंध बनाना बेहतर समझा। आज शीना को उनके पति की तरफ से किसी भी तरह का कोई संयोग नहीं मिलता है। अब वो दोनों एक घर में रहकर भी एक दूसरे के लिए अनजान हैं। रिश्तों के बेबाक सवालों जवाबों के रेडियंट रथ पर सवार होने के लिए मिलते हैं शीना से। शीना, वेलकम। आपका हमारे शो पे बहुत बहुत स्वागत है।
Thank you.
आर यू ओके?
I'm fine.
अपने बारे में कुछ बताएंगी हमें?
I work for an airline.
ओके। आप आज यहाँ इस मंच पर आई हैं, हमारे साथ कुछ शेयर करना चाहती हैं?
I've come here because I have a problem and उसका कोई solution नज़र नहीं आ रहा मुझे.
क्या प्रॉब्लम है आपकी?
मेरी relationship problem है and
आर यू मैरिड?
yes,
Okay.
I've been married for 18 years
ओके।
and in these 18 years I don't think there's been too much of happiness. There have been more lows than ups.
सारे 18
And,
सालों में?
Uh, yes, but I think then after some time, you know, it becomes a way of life till you reach a point where you're really looking for a solution.
आपकी मैरिड लाइफ में आप खुश नहीं हैं?
वजह तो there are too many, there are lots of reasons.
जैसे?
But
आप
it's,
एक एक करके बता सकते
but
हैं?
it's like I think ये जो सभी you know all these factors it's like a pattern जो वापस आता रहता है. You know, we can't seem to be able to break out of that.
आप दोनों के साथ?
दोनों के for I can only talk for myself.
अच्छा.
But in my married life ये pattern जैसे betrayal है. There is absolutely either there is no communication with my
हस्बैंड
husband.
की तरफ से बिट्रेयल?
हाँ जी,
और ये शुरू से होता आ रहा है?
शुरू से होता है.
क्या यही वजह है आपकी मैरिड लाइफ की?
It's a very big reason because you know, I mean if I were to do that there would be a complete energy leak and then आप अपने married life पे या जो relationship में हैं उस पे you can't really put in your 100% because you know you have distractions in your life.
तो आपको
That's
लगता
how
है
I
कि
see
आपके
it. That's how I see it.
आपके हस्बैंड की तरफ से 100% रिलेशनशिप में कभी नहीं आया?
What I believe. And then of course there's lack of communication, or when there is communication then there is violent communication.
वायलेंट एज इन?
You know, we just can't seem to be able to sit down and talk about anything with there is
मतलब आप
that
लोग
harmony is lacking.
आप लोग वायलेंट मतलब आप लोग जोर जोर से लड़ते हैं या लिटरली वायलेंट हो?
The situation gets out of hand where you know you just don't, then you kind of break the communication and you say okay, let's not talk. And then forgiveness is a problem with me. I'm not able to forgive
The betrayal.
and I feel that I've forgiven, you know, but it's I guess only on a superficial level and somewhere it's all my emotions are just locked up and buried deep inside.
जब आपको
I don't
सबसे-
even probably realize it now.
जब आपको सबसे पहले इस बारे में पता चला, आपको क्या फीलिंग थी उस वक्त?
ये तो एक रोलर कोस्टर राइड है ना. it's sometimes, I mean, it's a this particular, I think, betrayal is a gut-wrenching emotion. I think we all handle various situations in life differently, but for me, it's something which was is rather completely, it's gut-wrenching, and it stirs a lot of emotions within, of anger, you know, hate, and it's a chain reaction. There are days which are good, there are days where you feel you can cope with it.
आपको हेल्पलेस भी फील होता होगा?
There is that sheer help. It's like a chain reaction, you know, one thing leads to another.
तो आपको क्यों लगता है कि ऐसा ऐसा होना शुरू भी क्यों हुआ? इसमें क्या आपकी कहीं गलती है या कोई कुछ मिसिंग था आपकी
I
रिलेशनशिप
think
में?
it's a lot of factors which attribute to this.
जैसे
I feel somewhere you keep, you know, I would hate to say that, but I think somewhere, yes, there is probably something lacking here.
जैसे
And
आपके हिसाब से क्या ऐसा क्या हो सकता
there's
है
something, कोई कमी है इस relationship में,
जो आपकी तरफ से ना
whereas
हुई हो?
love is missing, or that you know, one can't emote certain feelings, and I can't, I just feel that बड़ा restraint है, you know, I want to say something, show that warmth, that feeling, speak my mind out, but it's, you know, sometimes you kind of, you've spoken within, and emotionally I think फिर you feel
Express नहीं कर
very,
पाते
you
आप
can't
अपने आप को।
express, and by the end of it you've just so drained. So it's a lot of factors.
कभी आपको लगा कि मैं भी, जो आपके अंदर इतना प्यार उमड़ता है that you want in life, कि आपको भी लगा कि मैं भी कहीं से पालूं, कहीं और से?
Surprising thing is no, I think ये connection ही कुछ ऐसा है that you know, I feel one can't go very far from this relationship. I think whatever I have to get, I'll get from this relationship,
और आपने
and
कभी
I only want it from this relationship.
आपको इसी रिलेशनशिप
Only from
लेकिन आपको प्यार मिलता है इस रिलेशनशिप में, या
It's-
ऐसा है कि कभी-कभी निकल के आता है
It's
या बिल्कुल भी?
it's volatile. It's volatile, very volatile. And now, of course, it's कुछ ऐसी हद तक पहुंच गई है जैसे, you know, where there is no solution in sight.
कैसा महसूस होता है आपको?
There is a lot of sadness within me because I'm not able to bring out that feeling of love. I can't express myself.
क्या रोकता है आपको?
I don't know. I just feel like my body is like lead and I can't express. I just can't express. And it makes me very sad. It just makes me very sad, but I'm sure there you know, has to be an end in sight to this.
आपको लगता है कि अगर आप एक्सप्रेस करेंगी जिस तरह से आप फील करती हैं इस इमोशंस को, तो शायद सिचुएशन ठीक हो जाएगी?
Definitely, and yet I also feel that this is probably not the only thing. There is also, it's also something to do with forgiveness. I can't forgive.
तो फिर
I
आप-
feel I've forgiven, but वो भी on a
But
very
actually नहीं
superficial
हुआ है।
level, on a very superficial level. Somewhere it's just deep within me, you know. I don't realize that वो भी कहीं ना, I've locked it up, that ability, you know, to forgive, and I've thrown that.
तो क्या आप अपने ही फीलिंग्स पर पर्दा डाल रही हैं, ऐसा कह सकते हैं?
पर्दा तो नहीं, but वो कहीं, I'm not able to bring out my feelings much as I try.
कभी
And it's
आपने-
only in my relationship, you know, with my husband, where my son
Otherwise-
is concerned, and I think I don't hear that from anyone, or I don't feel like that in any other relationship in my life.
बाकी रिलेशनशिप्स ठीक हैं?
With my parents, my siblings, and I think my son also, yes.
तो सिर्फ यहीं
And this is a very important relationship to me, and yet you know, one is not able to do anything about it, and it's just making me, yes, it makes me very sad.
I'm sure. आज हमारे साथ हैं गुड़गांव की शीना, जो जी रही हैं एक ऐसा रिश्ता जिसमें धोखा है, फरेब है, गम है और मुश्किलें हैं। ये क्यों हो रहा है उनके साथ, जबकि शीना शिद्दत से बंधी हैं एक पति पत्नी के पवित्र रिश्ते की डोर में। अंधेरे की ओर बढ़ रहे किसी रिश्ते में, किसी मुश्किलात की घड़ी में, या जब हम किसी को बहुत चाहते हैं और वो हमसे छिनने लगे, तो हम विश्वास खोने लगते हैं, डगमगाने लगते हैं। और जब थमने का कोई सहारा नजर नहीं आता, फिर अचानक ही हो जाता है कुछ ऐसा जो लौटाने लगता है हमें हमारा विश्वास। हमारे कदम वापस जमीन पर जमने लगते हैं। शीना के लिए आज ये घड़ी आ चुकी है। वक्त है उन्हें बुलाने का, जो उठाएंगे थम चुके पवित्र प्यार के रिश्ते के रहस्य से पर्दे को और देंगे शीना के हर सवाल का जवाब। प्लीज वेलकम डॉक्टर न्यूटन एंड डॉक्टर लक्ष्मी। हेलो डॉक्टर न्यूटन, हाउ आर यू डॉक्टर? आई एम फाइन। हाउ आर यू?
Self-realized master, past life regression therapist, healer, author और spiritual scientist डॉक्टर न्यूटन कोंडावेट्टी एक मल्टी डायमेंशनल पर्सनैलिटी है। MBBS और MD की डिग्री ले चुके डॉक्टर न्यूटन की जिंदगी में एक नया मोड़ तब आया जब अपनी पढ़ाई के दौरान उनकी मुलाकात एनलाइटन मास्टर ब्रह्म ऋषि सुभाष पत्री जी से हुई। यहाँ से उनके मेडिटेशन के सफर की शुरुआत हुई और उन्होंने सेल्फ हीलिंग की स्ट्रेंथ को पहचाना। डॉक्टर न्यूटन कई बार वर्ल्ड कांग्रेस ऑन रिग्रेशन थेरेपी में इंडिया को रिप्रेजेंट कर चुके हैं। पिरामिड स्पिरिचुअल सोसाइटीज की तरफ से ध्यान रत्न अवार्ड सहित कई अवार्ड्स ले चुके डॉक्टर न्यूटन 5 कॉन्टिनेंट्स के लगभग 30 देशों में वर्कशॉप कर चुके हैं। डॉक्टर न्यूटन की पत्नी MBBS डॉक्टर लक्ष्मी ने पास्ट लाइफ थेरेपी, हिप्नोटिज्म, मेडिटेशन और स्पिरिचुअल साइंस में प्रोफेशनल ट्रेनिंग्स ली हैं। अब तक दोनों ने मिलकर 1 लाख से भी ज्यादा लोगों की जिंदगियों को पास्ट लाइफ थेरेपी के जरिए हील किया है और उनके कई ट्रांसफॉर्मेटिव मेथड्स के जरिए लोगों की हीलिंग का यह सिलसिला लगातार जारी है।
डॉक्टर लक्ष्मी, डॉक्टर न्यूटन, आप दोनों का हमारे इस मंच पे स्वागत है।
थैंक यू।
आज शीना है हमारे साथ और इन्हें रिलेशनशिप्स में प्रॉब्लम हो रही है। रिलेशनशिप, नॉट रिलेशनशिप्स, अपने हस्बैंड के साथ काफ़ी कम्युनिकेशन गैप आ चुका है। 18 इयर्स की इनकी मैरिज है और सबसे ज़्यादा चीज़ जो इन्हें सताती है वो है इनके रिलेशनशिप में बिट्रेयल। और आज उसी के लिए ये आई हैं। कुछ सवाल हैं इनके पास जिसके जवाब चाहती हैं, क्योंकि जवाब ढूंढ रही हैं। शीना, आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
Dr. Newton, Dr. Lakshmi, it's I've been working towards various problems in my marriage with no end in sight. And there are certain, like Shweta mentioned, betrayal, communication, ego, forgiveness, just some of the few relevant points, and they just keep coming back in some form or the other, and which is not allowing this relationship to grow and nurture into what it should be.
Yeah, that's true.
And it's really frustrating, and because you can't move out of it, and yet that there is this very strong connection, that you are meant to be here and there is no other place for you but this. But yet you're not able to work on it, and you just feel that you are just wasting time
Yeah, and जो कुछ भी हो रहा है, it's happening only in this relationship.
Only in this relationship.
That's very interesting.
And otherwise, I've had like I was telling Shweta, I've had a very happy and a nice childhood. I have good relationships, with friends and with my child and siblings and other people I come in touch with. But whatever is coming up is only coming up here.
Okay.
And whatever I'm seen to be is, my husband sees me as that,
Okay.
what I am not.
Right.
But only over here. So I don't know, what to make of it or how to deal with it. And it's painful.
It's painful.
It's very painful.
Painful, right. Where do you feel this pain? In emotional pain and in a body, which place of the body you feel?
I feel it around my heart chakra.
Heart
yeah.
chakra,
I feel
right.
it more there,
right.
and then of course it spreads to my limbs,
Limbs.
my hands.
Right.
And I'm not able to vocalize.
Vocalize it.
Yeah.
So throat also, in a way.
डॉक्टर लक्ष्मी ये कौन सा आईना देख रही हैं?
Yeah, actually this is a perfect example of the fourth mirror, the mirror of forgotten love. So it's a very clear mirror, and this mirror is very much connected to our past lives.
Okay.
So whatever is unfinished from the past, whatever you need to finish now, or whatever wrong conclusions you have made because of your past experiences, you need to look at it from a different perspective.
Past life की
Yeah,
conclusions.
past life, the life before,
Okay.
this. So the root cause is coming from somewhere else. That's why this is being reflected in only one particular relationship. And you logically you can't really explain, because you look at your childhood, you can't find anything there, you can't find anywhere else in this present life. So this clearly shows that this is coming from the past lives. Yeah.
Yes, it's a past life karmic ties. There are ties that brings people together again in this current life, because there is something unresolved yet. To resolve that issue, two people come together again. In a marriage, it's a great opportunity to look into their hearts, to overcome that block. So both the sides, it's important. But now, right now, what is important from your side, what you can do is, you can work on this betrayal feeling that you had inside, which you felt that strongly. And once you make a progression in this case, betrayal, and heal that betrayal feelings, what can happen is you're also going to help your husband to do the same, to look into himself.
Yeah.
First you can, because you are ready now, willing to work on this at this present moment. So otherwise, most of the times, this betrayal runs like a tape, again and again. Many lifetimes we carry it. If we don't resolve it now, it will continue again the same way. If not this life, again in the future life, again the same thing happens. So this fourth mirror is a mirror which will give us the lessons. Instead of considering it as a big problem, we can consider it as an opportunity to grow, evolve from this stage to the next stage of our evolution. So it helps you and your husband too in making this beautiful progression.
Yeah, and I think that's why you're still there in this relationship, in spite of having so much of pain, so much of suffering. Deep within yourself, you know that you have to stay. There is something here, that's wonderful point about you actually, because most of us, whenever there is something very painful, when there is suffering, we want to run away from that, suffering or pain. But we really, appreciate you for your courage, because you're still staying. You understood that there is something here.
Lesson to be learned.
The lesson to be learned. You can't go, go away from this problem.
The connection is very strong.
Yeah.
But it's just that the important components that should be in a marriage, they're not there. That comfort zone is not there.
know.
Right.
Maybe I'm just talking about one particular, element.
Yes.
But all those elements are missing. Something relevant is just not there,
Yes,
and I can't put my finger on it.
Yes.
Right.
Just that missing
Something is
piece,
missing.
Something is
Yes.
missing. Right.
And you're willing to
Well, if
Get
I'm
that missing
here,
piece,
I'm definitely, that's
Yeah.
what I'm striving for.
I know.
शीना आज गाइडेड मेडिटेशन यानी मार्गदर्शित ध्यान के जरिए अपने रिश्ते में फैले अंधेरे, अकेलेपन, विश्वासघात और घुटन की वजह जान पाएंगी, क्योंकि उस अवस्था में वो अपने अंतर्मन से मिल पाएंगी जो उन्हें बार बार उनका आईना दिखाता रहा है और जिसे उनकी खुली आंखें देख नहीं पा रही हैं। तार तार हो चुके रिश्ते की डोर के किस हिस्से में प्यार की भावनाओं के मतलब बदल चुके हैं? क्या है शीना के आईने का सच? ये तो वो स्वयं से मिलने के बाद ही जान पाएंगी।
Close your eyes. Make yourself very comfortable. Allow yourself to go into deeper relaxed state. Start relaxing each and every part of your body, from head down to your feet. As you breathe in and breathe out, allow this relaxation to take over. That's wonderful. Each cycle of breathing, allow yourself to drift into this beautiful state of relaxation, better than before. At this moment, as I count 5 to 1, allow yourself to deepen this relaxation thousands of times. By the count of 1, you can send out your mind to your beautiful, magical, enchanting place of nature where you feel completely relaxed, totally relaxed. 5. Deeper, 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 beyond the body, beyond the mind, beyond time and space. 4. Sending out your mind to this beautiful, favorite place of nature. 3. Allow yourself to be there. Use all your 5 senses and explore that nature. 2. 1. आप क्या महसूस कर रहे हैं?
Splashes of color.
Yes. How are you feeling? Further describe about what you are feeling and experiencing.
Become dark.
Yeah.
Some anxiety in my
Some anxiety.
within me.
Yeah. Allow yourself to focus on that anxiety, on the core issue of your life that you're facing at this moment. I'd like you to completely focus your entire attention on this.
The feeling is better now.
Yeah,
It's settled.
right.
The anxiety is settling.
Settled now. What you're feeling?
I can feel heaviness in my heart,
Heaviness in your heart.
and I'm passing through it.
You're passing through that. Right. Allow yourself to journey through this to the very end of it. In a moment's time, as I count 10 to 1, I like to go to the very end of it. When you move out of this tunnel, you'll be there in the root cause from where this feeling of betrayal, this problem, this core issue of your life started. Yeah, what are you feeling?
It's white light, golden light, orange, and it's just growing.
Right.
I don't know where I am.
Right. Trust the process. Trust the process. Intend now to go back to the root cause. Take the assistance, guidance from this light. Know that it is safe.
Everything is formless and shapeless.
How are you feeling in that formlessness? Without form, without shape, without any solidity.
Everything's very slow, and I don't know why I feel I'm part of that.
You're part of that. Right.
It's moving and it's
Right.
changing form and light.
How are you feeling as part of that light?
When it changes color,
Right.
it's becoming dark now.
Mm.
And this heaviness is just descending on me.
Right. Right.
Anxiety is building up when it becomes dark.
Right.
And now it's settling down. The edges are smoothing out.
Right.
It's almost as if it's moving very fast.
Right.
It's dark, it's the color taking the shape of the horizon, and it's got different hues.
How it feels to you.
Colors are taking different form. I don't know. I've never seen something like this. They're blending into different shapes. Very vibrant and moving very slowly.
What's the meaning of this experience to you?
But as the colors change from to darkness, it's a very heavy feeling.
Very happy feeling.
Very heavy feeling.
Heavy feeling.
Anxiety which is building up.
I'd like you to compare this metaphysical experience of you to your current life situation. the betrayal feelings, heavy feelings. I'd like you to notice the parallels between these two. What are these colored lines representing to you?
It's love, and I opens myself to love
Yes,
and happiness.
happiness.
I flow.
Right.
Relaxed.
Relax. Right. At this moment, I'd like you to picturize your husband through your mind's eye in front of you. Look at him. Feel him through your heart. When you're seeing him through your mind's eye, when you're connecting to your heart center, to your husband, how are you feeling?
I feel very cold.
Cold?
Suddenly the colors have stopped flowing.
Oh, colors stop flowing. Right.
And there's
this flow of lights, this light which is supporting you, carrying you, holding you from that place of understanding, from that state of consciousness, from that perspective. Look at your husband. Look at this current life situation. Can you release all the hurts, all the pain that you've gone through in this current life? What do you want to choose?
I
A
want to-
flow of colors or
I want to release all the negatives.
just forgive? Now, I'd like to see yourself standing in front of your husband. Look into his eyes. Say to him, from your heart, from this deep understanding that these colors of life, from all that vastness of this consciousness, speak to him. Tell him that whatever may be the past, I am ready to forgive you. Whatever hurts, betrayals that I went through, I am willing to completely let it go. How would you be feeling if you are completely opening your heart center and forgiving completely? How it feels to you?
I can know there's something moving within me. It's almost like that feeling of lightness
Feeling of lightness.
and light color which is emerging
Right.
and taking over my body.
That's wonderful. That's wonderful. Now, with this new state of your being, if you are going to be with your husband, when you're talking to him, interacting with him, how would you be feeling? See yourself in that probable future. With all this forgiveness, with all this heart, just completely opened,
be feeling with your husband?
The vast expanse of light. It's drawing us in. It's like a deep calm has descended.
Deep calmness, right?
The corset edges have turned soft,
Soft.
and it's becoming very fine.
Right.
Everything is merging and blending. That formlessness it's blending into a fine, very smooth expanse.
I'd like to start slowly returning back with this beautiful experience, positivity, forgiveness, love in your heart. I'd like to slowly come back. These colors which are flowing reminds you of this new state of your being. Reminds you of your potential within you. As I count 1 to 5, slowly return back to this current moment. 1, feeling so fresh and relaxed. 2, 3. I'd like to anchor this feeling in your body, replacing all that dense, heavy sensations with this beautiful, light sensations. 4. Feeling all that beautiful love, joy, and peace. 5. Wide awake, conscious mind. Take your time to slowly open your eyes. Take your time.
It's very nice.
Very nice.
आज हमने देखा शीना पहुंची उस स्थिति में जहां सिर्फ सत्य की ही धरती है और सत्य का ही आसमान है। अंतर्मन की रोशन गहराइयां हैं, उसमें बसी सच्चाइयां हैं। आईनों का ही संसार है और कुछ भी नहीं। शीना मिली अपने आईनों से जो एक मुद्दत से उनके सामने थे और पाली अपने रिश्तों की टूटी डोर की कड़ी। शुरुआत है फना हो चुके रिश्ते के एक नए जन्म की। शीना, कैसा लग रहा है आपको इस सेशन के साथ?
I'm feeling really nice. Feeling light as a feather.
आपने बहुत सारी रोशनी देखी। कुछ बताएंगे सेशन के बारे में? क्या फील हो रहा था आपको?
It was a different kind of an experience. As in, I didn't see anything, but it was just a splash of color to begin with. And in between the color, when the darkness merged with that there was this feeling of immense heaviness and denseness in the body, and that anxiety and the negative feelings which were rooted here. And along the way I felt also that they were flowing from my stomach.
Colors, they symbolically represent something about our feelings and emotions. Here she was journeying through these colors which were making her to understand about whenever there is stillness or there is no movement, it's becoming dense, it's becoming more heavy, and that's why Sheena was describing about whenever there is no movement of the color, she's feeling denseness in the chest and the stomach, and it's going towards the feet. And whenever there is a flow of colors, she's feeling happy. For example, this betrayal feeling or anger, hurt feelings, we carry them, we cling to that. Whenever we're clinging to it, we are stuck at that place. What happens is we experience pain, we experience denseness, heaviness. When we know it's just a flow, we do get these feelings, but we can choose to uncling ourselves to it, detach from it. Then we flow with the colors experience.
Dr. Lakshmi?
Yeah, actually, it's such a beautiful metaphysical experience, whatever Sheena went through. Because initially she said, when she was flowing with those colors, she couldn't identify whether she was, that color or what was she. She felt that oneness, and there was light. And through that light, she went and she touched the darkness. The minute she touched the darkness, all that, whatever heavy feeling, whatever emotion, she started feeling, and then it started flowing down, and it just went down. Because most of the time, these are the two centers where we hold.
Okay.
Whenever we are, hurt, our heart center is blocked. And whatever emotions we go through, we just push it off into this solar plexus. So that's where she felt that emotions that, they were just moving down, and it was such a, wonderful experience. So actually, as Dr. Newton said, forgiveness is the key actually. And the forgiveness which we are going to do, we are not going to do it for the other's sake.
Yes.
We have to do it for our own sake, because otherwise we are carrying such a big burden, We are with that hurt, we are with that anger, and we are the ones who are suffering the most. So, that's the powerful key.
शीना का इस आईने के थ्रू लेसन क्या forgiveness का लेसन होगा?
Yes.
Forgiveness.
And whatever is unfinished, whatever she has to, learn from the past, and just understanding that, and by forgiving, she'll have a totally new perspective towards her relationship now. Yeah.
Here, husband is representing the fourth mirror, which is the most forgotten love in her heart.
Yes.
And if Sheena could now open her heart again, what happens is that love again flows, like these colors which are flowing.
Yes.
And life becomes holy, colorful. And it is the lesson, the most important lesson is, in spite of all the hurts, in spite of all the betrayals, still we need to open our hearts. And that lesson which is not yet learned, once we learn that, the mirror changes now. We don't need to really preach and teach and change the other person. Instead, when we look into ourselves, learn the lesson of it, the reflection changes, the mirror changes. What will be mirrored now will be totally different. After forgiveness and opening the heart and to love unconditionally.
Yeah.
So the heart center is the most important lesson for the fourth mirror, this Essene mirror, which is the mystery of heart.
Yeah, sometimes we come with bigger challenges, Sometimes we choose such situations so that we can grow beyond these things, so that we can love someone without any conditions, in spite of all their, you know, whatever they do, all their vices, everything. We are there to love. Sometimes we come here to learn such lessons. So once we understand that, with all that unconditionality, you'll be able to, you know, completely accept the lessons. You'll be able to accept your mirror. Yeah.
And what is most important is completely letting go of the past. With this experience and what Sheena could do and would do is to let go of the past, let go of all the hurt and betrayal feelings, and dissolving all that stuff, you know, which can lighten up her soul and her heart, and then will not carry any baggage anymore. You know, our progress is much more accelerated without that baggage. So that is most important for Sheena, and that's what Sheena went through in this guided meditation.
शीना ने आज हमारे स्पिरिचुअल गुरुज की गाइडेंस से अपनी उलझनों की असली वजह जानी। सच मिला उस आईने का जो उन्हें बार बार दिखा रहा था उनका अक्स, जो उनकी समझ से बिल्कुल परे था। आज हमने रिश्तों के इस सफ़र में शीना की उलझनों को करीब से जाना। साथ ही हमारे एक्सपर्ट्स ने हमें शीना के अनुभव से जुड़ी हर बात समझाई। डॉक्टर लक्ष्मी, आपसे एक छोटी सी रिक्वेस्ट है।
Definitely.
आप हमारे व्यूअर्स के साथ एक संदेश शेयर करें प्लीज़।
Learn the lessons from the past, let go of the past, and live in the present moment.
थैंक यू डॉक्टर लक्ष्मी, थैंक यू डॉक्टर न्यूटन, एंड थैंक यू शीना। आप इस प्लेटफॉर्म पर आई, अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स हमारे साथ शेयर की, एंड आई होप कि आप इस जर्नी को आगे ले जा सकें, एंड आई होप कि आप ज़िंदगी में बहुत 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 खुशहाली पाएँ। थैंक यू। हम जिससे बहुत लगाव रखते हैं उसके खोने का भी डर अपने अंदर बनाने लगते हैं, पर हम ये नहीं समझ पाते कि वो डर ही हमारा अंजाम बन जाता है और देता है एक दर्दनाक सच, जिसका एहसास ना चाहते हुए भी हमें झेलना पड़ता है। यही सच था शीना का। आज उन्होंने उस डर और उलझनों के पार प्यार की तरफ कदम बढ़ाना शुरू कर दिया है। किसी के कोमल जज्बातों को तोड़ना या किसी की भावनाओं को चोट पहुंचाना अपने आप में एक बेहद दर्दनाक एहसास होता है, और जो इन एहसासों से गुजरते हैं उन पर उसका असर कुछ ज़्यादा ही गहरा होता है, जिसका अक्स हम आने वाले कई साल नहीं बल्कि कई जन्मों तक देख सकते हैं। आज ज़रूरत है कि हम दर्द के इस एहसास को तोड़ें और ज़िंदगी के साथ अपना एक खूबसूरत रिश्ता कायम करें, ताकि जी पाएँ रिश्तों को और भी गहराई से और भर पाएँ इसमें ज़िंदगी के रंग, क्योंकि हर रिश्ता एक आईना है और हर आईने में देखते हैं हम खुद का ही अक्स। थैंक यू वेरी मच डॉक्टर न्यूटन, थैंक यू डॉक्टर लक्ष्मी, एंड थैंक यू शीना। थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग।